Have you ever seen those cool animated loaders that make websites feel alive? Well, today I'll show you how to create this amazing DNA loading spinner using just HTML and CSS. No JavaScript at all. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add this unique animation to your own projects and impress everyone with your CSS skills. Let's start with the basic HTML structure. We'll create a simple page with a section that contains our spinner and a title. Inside that, we'll add a div with the class name DNA, and inside this div, we'll place several elements. These will act as the little circles that move up and down like a DNA string.
Now, let's add some CSS to style the page. We'll center everything using Flexbox, give it a dark background, and make the text white so it stands out.
Next, let's work on the spinner itself. The .dna container will have a fixed width and height. Now, we'll use CSS keyframes to move each circle from the top to the bottom while changing its size and opacity. We'll also use a delay with the -i variable to stagger the motion, so it looks like a real DNA spiral moving continuously. That's it. You've just built a beautiful DNA loading spinner using only HTML and CSS. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel